everyone, I hope we're staying safe. Here we've got a little padlock I ordered from America. This is apparently the Locksmith of America. How is it? So, the Locksmith Dealers of America, LSDA padlock. Guessing it's quite a small padlock. Came from eBay. All the way from the United States, in fact. Ooh, this doesn't feel very... I must admit, if I was buying this from a locksmith, doesn't sound brilliant. So, let's have a go at trying to pick it. That's a bit thick. Let's try. Okay, let's give it a go. Oh, ooh. Well, it wasn't particularly hard, given it is what it is, but it does feel very crunchy inside. If tap it, anything falls out the bottom, like casting sand or whatever. But there we go. That's an LSDA lock. I wish you joy, and I hope everyone stays safe and keeps well. Bye bye.